What if I told you that you are currently surrounded by hidden treasure? Most people look at an old camera or a pair of shoes and see clutter. A professional flipper looks at those same items and sees a profit margin. Today, I'm going to give you a masterclass in the art of flipping, turning forgotten items into real cash. This is the foundation of a system that works anywhere, anytime. Let's dive in. The first secret of a master flipper is the 5 to 25 rule. We don't buy things just because they are cheap. We buy things because they have a minimum 5 times profit potential. If you buy an item for $5, it must be realistically worth $25. Why? Because after platform fees, shipping, and your time, anything less is just a hobby. In my complete manual, I show you exactly how to calculate these margins in seconds. But for now, remember this. The money is made when you buy, not when you sell. Never guess the value. Verify it. Before you spend a single cent, you need a 10-second evaluation. You check the brand, the material, and the condition. But most importantly, you check the sold listings, not the active ones. People can ask for $1,000 for a rock, but that doesn't mean it's worth it. You are looking for proof of demand. This is how you eliminate risk and ensure every purchase is a winner. Online, your photos are the product. If your photos look cheap, your item stays cheap. But you don't need an expensive camera. I use a zero-cost studio method. Natural window light and a simple whiteboard to reflect the sun. This one trick increases the perceived value of your item by 40%. In the full guide, I explain the exact angles and lighting secrets that make buyers click Buy Now without hesitation. Writing descriptions and titles used to take hours. Now we use AI to do the heavy lifting. I've developed a set of specific prompts that generate SEO-optimized titles and persuasive descriptions in seconds. It ensures your items appear at the top of the search results and answers buyer questions before they even ask them. To get the exact master prompts I use, you'll find them in the final chapters of the manual. But the strategy is simple. Let the machine do the work while you focus on finding the treasure. Flipping is the ultimate freedom skill. It doesn't matter what the economy is doing. People are always buying and selling used goods. What I've shown you today is just the beginning. The complete Flipping Mastery Manual contains my entire blueprint. The sourcing treasure map, the condition checklist, the negotiation scripts, and the 90-day scaling plan. If you want to stop guessing and start profiting, the full guide is waiting for you on Etsy. Click the link in the description. Start small, follow the system, and build your freedom. I'll see you in the manual.